Step 3. Rebuild your confidence. Each step builds on the last, and that's definitely true for this step. If you've overcome your emotions and you've honestly assessed your relationship with your ex, you're now ready to move on to this third step, rebuilding your confidence. I promise you that following your breakup, your confidence took a nosedive. Part of the reason for that is something you examined in step 2. He lied about the reasons for the breakup. Another part of it is that you may have discovered that you had a role in the breakup. They're rarely just the fault of one person, and now you're beating yourself up over it. It's time to end the blame game all around and start rebuilding your confidence. This is what I do. Great men are attracted to confident women. Chances are he was attracted to your confidence when you first met. You and I will bring that back. Plus, rebuilding your confidence puts you in the power position in this reconciliation. You hold the keys to getting back together once you've rebuilt your confidence. Right now, your confidence is lower than you think it is. Having time when you aren't in a relationship allows you to rebuild it without the distractions of the relationship. In this step, you'll learn, number 1, the importance of being an independent woman, what exactly that means, and how to get there. Number 2, how to make positive changes in your life, what that means and why it's so important. 3, why it's time to break your routine and how it will help in your quest to win him back. 4, the importance of self-care and how to implement a self-care routine into your life. 5, how to create a vision for your life and then begin living the part. 6, why you need a new and exciting story and how to write one. 7, how to stop living in the past. 8, the difference between being a student and a victim, plus how to transition from the victim to the student. I'm sure some of this seems a bit obscure to you, and you might be wondering how these things will help build your confidence, but that's what this page is all about. So to answer your questions, all you need to do is start reading.